we have added a very easy way for you to embed YouTube videos and add buttons to your labels. This can also be used on forums, but in the example here we are going to show how this can be done on a label. So you click on the label and then you'll see the editor pop up. If you look at the toolbar, you'll see the extreme right you have something that looks like a spider web, which is basically the snippet. So we have programmed two buttons into it. One is where you embed the YouTube video and the other one where you add a button. When you click on the YouTube video, it'll ask you to add the YouTube video ID into it. How do you get the ID? So if you open your YouTube, select the video that you want to embed, you will find there's this characters after the equal to sign on the URL. That's basically the ID of the video. Just copy it and paste it into the video ID bar input area and say insert. Now you can see that your video is being embedded into your post, into the label. Now we are going to create a button. We go back to the same tool, the snippet on the extreme right, and we select add a button. The button is going to ask you for a URL, so I'm going to use the URL of my movie blog, and I'm going to make it open in a new tab when the button is clicked. So I paste it here, the URL. I can change the caption of the button. You can add anything. I'm going to type something custom, insert it, and you can see the button is right now just below the video that you've embedded. Now all you do is you can test it to see if it's all working and go back down and say save and return to course, and just turn editing off so it's clear. As you scroll down, you can see the YouTube that's embedded. You can play it, you see the controls, and just below the video you're also able to see the button in the Majan theme. You click on the button and it opens the link in a new tab, so it's easy to close it and you still have move on the other tab. That's all you need to know about YouTube embedding and creating buttons on labels. Now you can add all your Microsoft Teams invite link and meeting link into buttons the next semester, and your page should look very neat and clean.